Hello and welcome to another Nexus digital tutorial. My name is Brady, and in today's walkthrough I'm going to guide you through the steps of adding a new staff member, a user, a profile, a person to your Shopify account. With that said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Shopify account and you're going to go to your store, and from the bottom left hand section there's a quick little settings section. You're just going to click on that and you're going to go over to your users and permissions section and simply click on the add staff button right here. Okay, now from here you're going to be directed to that staff profile page where you'll input their contact information, including their first name, their last name, and their email. In the instance of Nexus, you just put in Nexus Digital and the email would be system@nexusdigital.co. You'll also be able to grant access to a variety of different permissions on your Shopify account. You can either select all of them or deselect and customize exactly what permissions that you'd like to give access to. Similarly, there may be some apps and channels that are connected to your account that you might want to give access or grant access to on that level there as well. Moving down or scrolling down, there's also your point of sale system. So here you'll be able to generate a random 4-digit PIN that would give access to that individual user. Now there's one important element that I forgot to mention, and that is after you've filled out the fields for the person's name and email, you've granted their level of access or the permissions for the apps or access to your Shopify account. Along the top hand corner, there's going to be a green button that says invite user. You're obviously want to send that or click on that button to send the invitation request to the person you've added. And similarly, if you're editing or updating anyone's credentials or permission access, you always want to make sure that in the exact same spot in the top right hand corner, you hit that save button. And there you go. It's that easy. It's that simple. You've officially added a new person or edited their profile information, and they're ready to start on your Shopify account and help out with your business. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager. If you'd like to see more information or more tutorials on Shopify, please feel free to reach out as well. And with that, we will talk to you soon. Have a good day.